Welcome. This is the Phoenix Business Consulting overview video of our credit card integration for SAP Business ByDesign. We are going to go through two common scenarios. The first, the sales order is not on file. The second, we will have a sales order where the customer maintains a credit card profile on us, so the system will look up that profile and auto-apply it to the transaction. I'm going to save this. When I save the order, it's checking to see if the customer has a credit card profile. You'll see that it does not have a profile, so I'm going to manually enter the credit card number and authorize the card. You will see that the credit card integration has recorded some key data. We have a reference ID, the auth code, the transaction ID, and the approved amount. So if we were using this in conjunction with an e-commerce platform where this information was brought in, we could then take this information and settle the transaction. Searching for this credit card transaction, we'll see that it has been authorized pending capture. Let's go finish processing this sales order. Okay, we've released this order, we've shipped it out, and now I'm going to go invoice it. At this point, there's one change to our process in that we are going to save the invoice before we release it. Saving it allows the credit card integration to check and reference the sales order credit card information, the reference number, the authorization number. So when we release it, it's now going to be able to go and grab that data and settle the credit card. So if we come back to authorized.net, we'll see now that it's captured pending settlement. We're now going to review an order scenario where we maintain a customer payment profile. We'll look at this account, Silver Star, and you'll notice that by company ID, we're able to maintain a customer profile ID and a customer payment profile ID. These are the numbers that the system will use to reference customer's profile and payment profile in the payment gateway. So this would allow them to have multiple profiles. Also, by tying it here, we're able to have a different payment profile per company if we have more than one company in our system. We're now going to process the sales order. So in this case, save it. It's going to reference the profile, but there's no need to authorize. So we are just going to close and submit this and process it as any other sales order. When it comes to the invoice, we are going to do the same process. That'll then reference that information and trigger the credit card authorization. Then you'll see we have this transaction that was captured automatically. Another feature of this add-on is the ability to include a payment link in the invoice template where a customer can go and then pay that invoice online. And that is an overview of our credit card integration for SAP Business ByDesign.